The question is given on page number 151. Please don't speak in between while I'm explaining. Page number 151. Question number 6 we have to start. A building से लेकर, and be quick, okay? Be quick everyone. A building, put dot 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 in between. A building till unpainted. So building थी, वो total building दे रखी थी आपको, height दे रखी थी उसकी, आपको बताना था कि कितना unpainted है. Painted you know, and unpainted you have to calculate. So it is given, building is given in meter and centimeter. So we will write here meter, and here we will write centimeter. So total height of building.
Ma'am, your screen is blur.
Ma'am,
Is it blurred?
Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
It is blurred. Okay, just give me a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Now is that all right?
No, ma'am, it is not.
It is not. Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Total height of building. Don't worry, I'll share it on WhatsApp also. If it is blurred, I can share it on WhatsApp. Total height of building. What is the total height of building here? 436 meters and 32.
Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
Just Karan, please don't speak in between like that. If it is coming blur, I'll share the screen. I'll share the answers with you on WhatsApp. Please don't speak here like this. Height of building, total height of building is this. Height of building you can say. Height of building. Not total, height of building. Okay. Then dash centimeter of the building is painted in white. Building painted. How much building is painted? Building painted. How much building is painted? How much building is painted over here? 220 and 50 centimeter. 220 meter and 50 centimeter. So you will subtract it and you will get the answer of building unpainted. Building unpainted. Building unpainted. So statement. So dash meter and dash centimeter building is left unpainted. Okay, do it.
Now, what we are doing?
Everything is written on board, whatever we are doing. So better if you to see what we are doing in the board.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Everything is mentioned on the board. What we are doing and what we are not doing. Even the page number is also mentioned. Look from the board and see what we are doing. See from the board what we are doing.
Ma'am, today is Gurpurab. Can I leave the class because I have to go Gurdwara?
Okay.
Thank you.
Complete this one quickly, everyone. He wants to leave, the one who wants to leave, they may leave.
Yeah.
Beta C. Two.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Beta, please look here. Instead of asking, when you see me, just look here. Okay, 13 minus 5 is 8. And 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. So answer is coming 215 meter and 82 centimeter. Okay, everyone. Manika and Samarth, are you attending the classes together or only Manika is attending? Manika, are you attending alone or Samarth is with you? Unmute नहीं हो रहा क्या? हाँ मानिका. हाँ.
मैम सामर्थ अपनी नानी घर गए इसलिए क्लास में.
Okay, beta. Okay. Now next question. See next question. A gas pipeline is 450 kilometer and 235 meter long. No,
Please wait for 2
no. I've already sent your answers on the WhatsApp. I'll not wait. Enough wait. I have taken.
question. I am doing
Who is speaking?
first one.
Beta, I'm not going to wait anymore because I've already given you so much time. Now let us start the fifth, sixth, seventh one. A gas pipeline is 450 kilometer, 235-meter long. Okay.
Can please 5 minutes? 5 minutes. I have to write the
You can see from WhatsApp itself. I've sent the answer on WhatsApp. So a gas pipeline is 450 kilometer long and 235-meter long. 132 kilometer of it needs repair. Repair means it has to be समथिंग जब जो चीज खराब हो जाती है उसको रिपेयर करते हैं. ओके, लाइक योर कार खराब हो जाती है तो उसको रिपेयर कराते हैं. वी रिपेयर द थिंग्स. ओके, so we repair. So we are just going that this gas pipeline needs repair. How much of it is in the good condition? Suppose this is a gas pipeline. This is a very long pipeline, gas pipeline. Okay, itni jo hai, this needs repair. This gas pipeline needs repair. This has to be repaired. ओके, इसको रिपेयर होनी है. तो आपको ये बताना है कि गुड कंडीशन में कितनी है. तो गुड कंडीशन में कितनी होगी टोटल में से व्हेन यू सबट्रैक्ट द रिपेयर वन, व्हेन यू सबट्रैक्ट द रिपेयर वन यू विल गेट द गुड कंडीशन वन. Okay, so let us start the next.
Ma'am, in a question you are written audition.
Ma'am, we can't hear you because ma'am you are in mute.
Now you are able to hear me. See now, length of we will write here
Ma'am, what
kilometers.
is the spelling of condensation?
This is kilometers. Please switch off your mics, everyone. This is in kilometers and meters. So length of gas pipeline we will write here.
Mobile se dila do open.
Please switch off your mics. This is horrible. I am again and again asking you to switch off your mics.
Mobile में
Now it is better.
Now ma'am it is okay.
Now length of gas pipeline. Length of gas pipeline is 450 kilometers and 235-meter long. Okay. Now, and this needs repair. Pipeline needs repair. Pipeline needs repair 132 kilometers and 550 meters. Okay, now subtract it. Here you will get pipeline in good condition. Pipeline in good condition. Just solve it. So dash kilometer pipeline is in good condition. Do it quickly. Do it quickly, everyone. Let me send it on WhatsApp. This one also, if my screen is not properly visible, you can check it on WhatsApp also. I hope everyone has done this. Do it quickly. To you, and you must tell me the answers now.
Answer is
Yes.
317 kilometer.
5 and 13 minus 5 is 8. And 11 minus 5 is 6. Is it correct?
37 kilometers. 327 kilometers.
Am I correct? Have I done it correct? Huh?
Ma'am, I have checked. My answer is correct.
327 is correct. नहीं बेटा 317 ही आएगा. 1 तो आएगा confirm.
Ma'am, the answer is 31768. Okay, ma'am, you have right.
Okay, thank you so much. 317 kilometers and 685 meters. Okay. Okay, see the next question. See the next question. Question number 8. Mr. Das' house. The Mr. Das is somebody, a person. His name is Mr. Das. Okay. His house is 12 kilometers away from the railway station. Suppose this is Mr. Das. And this is the house of Mr. Das. ये Mr. Das का house है. And who is he? He is Mr. Das. अब ये railway station है. This is a railway station. यहाँ trains हैं. So this is a railway station. Railway station से इनका house कितनी दूर पर है? 12 किलोमीटर 155 मीटर दूर है. Okay. His office is 5 kilometer 265 meter from the railway station. अब his office if we talk about, so his office जो है रेलवे स्टेशन से कितनी दूर है? रेलवे स्टेशन से 5 किलोमीटर 265 मीटर दूर है. हाउस से रेलवे स्टेशन दूर है, रेलवे स्टेशन से ऑफिस इतनी दूर है. ठीक है. Now how much distance Mr. Das' house farther than his office from the railway station? How much distance is Mr. अच्छा farther है. Farther means दूर. FARTHER. What do you mean by farther? It's not father. It's not father. It's farther. What do you mean by farther?
Ma'am, दूर.
दूर.
Ma'am,
Yes.
दूर.
Farther, दूर. So Mr. House, how much distance is Mr. Das का house? Mr. Das का house, then farther than his office. उनके ऑफिस से ये कितनी ज्यादा दूर है? ये कितना ज्यादा दूर है? ये ज्यादा दूर है या ये ज्यादा दूर है? पहले डिसाइड करो. हाउस से रेलवे स्टेशन दूर है या रेलवे स्टेशन से ऑफिस दूर है? क्या दूर है?
Ma'am, railway station. Railway station.
Ma'am, railway station.
Because it is 12 kilometer and this is 5 kilometer. तो क्या दूर है? रेलवे स्टेशन इज मच फार्दर. तो पहले हमें ये बताना है कि कितना ज्यादा दूर है. कितना ज्यादा दूर है. अगर आप मान लो सपोज योर होम, दिस इज यू, दिस इज योर हाउस. आपके हाउस से दो जगह है. आपके हाउस से रेलवे स्टेशन पता है, दिस इज रेलवे स्टेशन, दिस इज योर स्कूल एंड दिस इज योर हाउस. हाउस से रेलवे स्टेशन पता है, रेलवे स्टेशन से स्कूल का पता है. नाउ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट आपका स्कूल ज्यादा दूर है या रेलवे स्टेशन, और कितना ज्यादा दूर है. तो क्या करोगे इसमें, टेल मी.
Minus.
वेरी गुड,
Minus.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, हम इसमें माइनस करेंगे बिकॉज हियर वी आर कंपेयरिंग द थिंग्स. अच्छा, ऊपर किसका किसका वो लिखा जाएगा डिस्टेंस, ऊपर किसका डिस्टेंस लिखा जाएगा, टेल मी क्विकली.
मैम रेलवे स्टेशन.
Ma'am, railway station.
होम से लेकर रेलवे स्टेशन तक का, होम टू रेलवे स्टेशन तक का.
Ma'am, home to railway
जो
station.
बड़ा है that will come up, the one who is bigger will come up because we are subtracting here. Okay, so see. Okay, see now here क्या है इसमें. So kilometers and meters is given, so kilometers and meters we will write here. Distance from, कहाँ से कहाँ तक हम पहले लिखेंगे, रेलवे स्टेशन का. From house to
Ma'am,
railway
you
station.
have. Ma'am, you do not have changed that question 8 and you do not write the
Okay,
upper
sorry.
above.
Sorry, beta, sorry. Do it quickly, okay? Distance from house to railway station is how much? Is how much? Distance from house to railway station is how much?
12 kilometer,
हाँ.
155 meter.
Okay. Now similarly, we will use here distance from where? Railway station to house. Sorry. How far is from the railway station? How far Mr. Das' house farther than his office from the railway station? Now, from railway station to house. From house to railway station to kariye. Sorry, office to railway station. Office to railway station. ऑफिस से रेलवे स्टेशन का डिस्टेंस कितना है?
Can we write
5 kilometer to 65 meter.
Very good. Okay. So here you can write this difference. You can simply write difference in distance. अगर आप डिस्टेंस लिखना चाहते हैं that is also correct. So Mr. जो मैं बुक में लिखा है सेम स्टेटमेंट आई एम कॉपिंग. सो मिस्टर दास हाउस इज इतने किलोमीटर मीटर फादर. जो बुक में लिखा है उसका सेम आई एम राइटिंग. फादर देन हिज ऑफिस फ्रॉम रेलवे स्टेशन.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Just you have read the statement is big, so I cannot write statement and number.
Sorry, in one line it is not coming.
No, ma'am, it is not coming.
It is
And
not
the
coming.
number is not.
Numbers are not coming. So बेटा इसे थोड़ा पास चिपका कर लिखो और स्टेशन को you can use the short form ST. You can use the short form if it is not coming.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, what is the short form?
एनीथिंग बेटा, आप अपने आप शॉर्ट कर लिया करो उसको. The short form could be anything. You can just shorten it yourself. Question 9 we will do in next period, not in this period. जल्दी से आंसर बताओ मेरे
Ma'am,
साथ.
class is going.
अरे बेटा, class is going to be over. I know very well. Just do it. 10 minus 2, 1 minus 7 minus 5 is 6. So answer is 6 kilometer, 890 meters. जल्दी से do it.
Ma'am, what is it? Ma'am, please try.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes, class is going to be
Ma'am,
over.
done.
Ma'am, I have done Yuvraj Gupta. Ma'am, I have done Yuvraj.
We'll do in next period.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.